Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make time for exercise with a busy schedule. First, pinpoint the best times in your day when you feel most energetic and can commit to physical activity. Treat these exercise slots as non-negotiable appointments, just like any important meeting. If a full workout seems daunting, remember that even short bursts of movement are beneficial. Consider breaking your exercise into 2 or 3 10-minute segments throughout the day. These add up quickly and effectively. Consistency, even in small doses, is truly key to building a sustainable routine. Even with a packed schedule, you can weave in effective physical activity. Try incorporating several 10-minute activity breaks. These could be a brisk walk, some quick stretches, or a few sets of bodyweight exercises. Opt for the stairs whenever possible, skipping elevators or escalators entirely. For nearby errands, consider walking or biking if the destination is within a 1-mile radius. These small, consistent choices accumulate over time, contributing significantly to your overall fitness goals without requiring large blocks of dedicated time. To maximize your limited time, consider high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, which can deliver significant fitness benefits in as little as 15 to 20 minutes. You can also cleverly combine activities. Instead of just meeting a friend for coffee, suggest a brisk walk or a bike ride together. Another great strategy is to exercise while enjoying your favorite entertainment. Do squats, lunges, or planks during commercial breaks, or even jog in place while watching a 30-minute television show. This makes exercise feel less like a chore. Building a consistent exercise habit is more important than striving for perfection. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. Remember to prioritize rest and recovery, as this is crucial for preventing burnout and injury. Listen to your body and allow it time to recuperate. Finally, celebrate every small victory, whether it's completing a new personal best or simply sticking to your schedule for a week. Positive reinforcement helps maintain long-term motivation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.